outside is nice today. It's Friday. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Annika, so please don't forget to like the video and stay tuned. Like, me and Kimani is gonna have some fun this weekend. Summer's almost over and I never wear this shirt, and I forgot, like, well, you better wear your shirt. But I'm trying to go get this train. It's kind of hot today. Yeah, I got all this powder on my chest because it's hot. I don't care. That's it. Okay. Some celery and grapes. I'm not gonna buy a lot of stuff now. I just want certain stuff. Oh wait, let me see this tofu thing. I might want to try something like that. Tofu, Korean dumplings, organic tofu. I might want to try this one day with some rice, some jasmine rice, right? Look at that. $3.97. I gotta find out how to cook this. I don't even know how to cook this. Oh, they got the other one, $2.20. But this one is organic. This one is regular. Oh, look how you make the egg roll. I was just watching a video. I was just watching a video on Instagram where the girl make aki wonton. I think this is what she used. Yeah, this is the egg roll wrap. I want to try this. Oh, this is $4.70. All right, it gotta be one of these. I gotta try. All right, I'm gonna go with the tofu first. Okay, so this is regular, right? And you got 70 calories, and this is organic, and it got more calories. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, how? Fiber 2, protein 7, protein 14. Why is it watery? You know what? I'm gonna figure it out to make it fresh before I buy it. Let's get some salmon. This salmon is $14. Jesus. I mean, kind of worth it. How much is inside though? I love salmon though. I think I'm about to get this. Lobster tail. 2 lobster tails. Price. That looks good. The way you cook it would be good. How much is that one? Salmon fillet. Is this a fillet? What is this? Oh, $27. Ooh. And fish over here I'll look at my salmon. It could last for a while. Organic grass-fed beef patties. Oh, this shit is big. Look how big that is. Oh, I think it's 3 of them in there. Oh, it's 4. I didn't even notice. How much is this? I think it's the one she said she bought. Oh, $6? That's not bad. I'm gonna eat this when I go home. I like this. It's not bad. These, I have one more of these home. This is good. I like those, but I'm gonna try these too. This is grass-fed, organic grass-fed ground beef. Impossible burgers. What else? There was more in there. Made from plants. Is this the same thing? Because it said grass-fed. I don't know which one to get. I may bring both of them. And then I just need rice. I need burgers because I have the bread though. Wheat bread. I need to eat up these. And I'm gonna start eating up these salmon for the week. How about this for Kimani? Give me some celery. I wanna see what I should do with this. Grass fed. I'm gonna Google grass fed because I never heard of that before. I think that was my the patty my neighbor was telling me about last night. Let me try it. Oh, look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this tomahawk ribeye steak. This shit is big. This video is not doing it any justice. This is big in person. How many pounds is it? I don't see the pound. Beef and bone ribeye. It's $2.29 a pound. That's the price. That's not bad. $23 because it's big as hell. Sirloin bacon wrap. This looks sick. I don't know what this is. I think it's pork. What is it? Beef tongue. Oh, yeah. That looks crazy. It says it's packed with B vitamins and vitamin A and E, and it never ever have any added hormones or any added antibiotics. So it's healthy. 85% lean and 50% fat. So yeah, I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna try them. No pizza, no, nope. I don't want none of that. Broccoli. I mean, oh, I have broccoli home though. I do have broccoli home. 90 is done. I have real broccoli home. I'm about to. Oh, I need some broccoli. Some real food. Mixed vegetables. I'm gonna get them. Sorry, love. Some corn. I haven't had corn in a while. It's $1 or 186. I feel. I haven't had a corn in a minute. I'm gonna bring a lot of stuff though. What do you think? Yo, I'm about to say, where's my phone at? Y'all ever been through that? You know, when y'all using your phone and you like, where's my phone at? That happened to me so many times. They got Arby's and the Nathan's. I got the Nathan's one last time. Oh, they got this one too. Checkers. Seasoned. You know what? I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one seasoned. I don't think I ever had this one before. Alright, so yeah, one more thing and I'm out. We'll get rice. Jasmine rice. Oh no, two things. Jasmine rice and oats. Yeah, okay. What's this? Oh, cheddar cheese biscuit. I love these cheese biscuits. But look at the sound. This is like something new. I don't know what this is. But look. Cheese it. How can we get out of here?
I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it tastes good. Okay, I need the oats and then the done.
I saw this in Dollar Tree. It was bigger than this though. For $1.25. They have it for $2.78. That small ass bottle. And Dollar Tree have it bigger. A bigger bottle for $1.25. That's crazy. I'm trying to find the oats. Where's the oats? I still did the other day when I came in here. I did not see the stuff that I was looking for. The Apple Jacks bar.
Yeah, I got toasted. Look at that. Snickers, Sour Patch, and the Oreo. Oreo popcorn. That look good. I'm not even gonna buy it. Same flavor? That look good though.
Where the hell these people? I'm about to ask somebody. But seriously, it's always at the end on this side.
I love these. I haven't had them in a minute, so. Snacking. Snacking. I was trying to find the oats and I don't see it. No? Oh, hi. Where's the oats?
Oats?
Yeah.
Anything like that is going to be
Yeah, usually be back there, but I don't see it.
yeah, it's in the middle. It's a little bit past. Should be right here. Okay.
Okay.
That's not the same thing.
Is that the one in the tub with the great value? Oh, it's right there. Wow. Thank you.
Yeah, I found it.
You too. Oh, I passed it. That's crazy.
Yeah. So I can't eat no bananas no more because the doctor said the banana got so much sugar in there, so I gotta cut the bananas out. But I can't on still. Oh, I don't feel like stopping. Yeah, I'm out the way. You're lying. You're lying? Oh, thank you. Yeah, I can't eat bananas. I gotta cut out banana. So I substitute the banana for substitute oats for banana when I'm making my smoothies. You looking at you like it's not your phone. Like, girl, get out my face. Nosy ass. They be all in your face like it's not your phone. Like, yeah, I'm recording. I'm using my phone.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
I eat lunch. He loved the beef sandwich. So I'm in McDonald's waiting for this van, and I'm on over here in this crispy chicken sandwich. But I'm gonna try this. See how it tastes, because I'm hungry. But I had oatmeal this morning, but I don't want McDonald's. I was sweet plantain chips, so it's really good. I've had sweet plantain chips before, but not Grace brand. Yeah, I know they got the steak bagel out here. And this McDonald's. I don't know if they have it in New York, but they back with the steak bagel out here. Kimani ate all his fries first, then he started eating the sandwich. Tastes good? It actually tastes good. I tried it. Me had it last time. And asked him what he wanted. He said crispy chicken sandwich. I was like, oh. He went from McChicken to crispy chicken sandwich. Stuff in your mouth. Rub your hand. The bucket will be coming soon. I asked him if he want to try this. He said yes, but he pushed it in the bag. You want to try it? He took it one. He don't like it. Salmon for dinner. I'm trying to count how much is in there. I don't know how much came in there. 4, 8. I'm gonna cook 4. Mixed vegetables. Now this is the mixed vegetables. And this, I'm gonna try this seeded. I made this today. I'm gonna make curry salmon. I think that's what I want to make. I'm trying to make honey. Oh, I don't have honey. I don't know honey glaze or something like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna put some juice in. Needed. Alright, so and then I got some brown crackers. And I got my oats. And the jasmine rice. I don't think this is the one I bought last time, but the one that I bought last time had a zipper thing, like a seal thing. Like, it's not this one, but whatever. That's what we're about to eat today. That's good. Look, I'm gonna put the salmon in too. This is big. Put this in here. So we're going with the salt. And Italian season. See? My baby was doing this like she late, I'm sorry. Now I always let this go for real. Then when I see her video, I was like, wow, okay. I'll put some black pepper too. And I'll put some butter. No, coconut oil. This was in the fridge, so it's a little, it's froze. It's hard. But I'm gonna just some in there. And this give it the coconut oil gives the rice a nice taste. Like tastes like Thai rice.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body.
Turn it down. I'll mix mine in. So I went all over the rice, not just on top. So I mix it all in. I'm gonna cover it down. Put some foil on there too. Some low. Oh, so I realized y'all don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about J Nice on Instagram. She said she cooked her white rice with Italian season. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is home. Some honey and this. Put some more honey on there. put a little amount. Alright, I think so. On the teriyaki. Honey, oh, the honey's kind of, I thought the honey was thick. Oh, let's loosen up though. Is enough salt, Rose? Oh, so. I thought I don't need more. I think we should put it in the oven. I was looking. So, this is what's going on right now. The green and yellow zucchini. I never had the yellow one before. I take the green one before. It tastes so good. So it's similar to cucumber, so let's see. But I think I'm gonna add this to it too because that's not enough. Yeah, I'll do that. Alright, so I'm gonna add some onion and garlic powder on there. Not much. And my little salt. Little salt. And this. Because this makes me want to eat vegetables all the time. Not a lot. And then you mix it up. I'm turning it down. I think it's checking at the bottom. I had it too high. It is sauteing, so it's okay if I get a little burn. No. I'm gonna cover it up, let it simmer. You put Italian season on there? I put Italian season on everything. Then I cover it up. I'm not going to be recording because listen, I'm mad if I did all that and wasn't recording. I would be pissed. Okay. Ah, carrot, stay where you at. Where you going, girl? Yeah, I like this blend better. Ooh, I'm still making this. This one is a color. Okay, I don't know what to color. I don't got time. I'll put the excessive oil and then pour some of it. I'm gonna put them back in the pot. And I'm gonna add the sauce to it. I don't know why they're breaking. I'm gonna cook it down. Up. And so boil a little bit, I add the sauce to it. It's not a problem. I can't put my clothes. Alright, so meanwhile that's simmering down a little bit, I'm gonna start on my juicing. You see the light is kind of bright in here. The landlord finally put a light up here.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goyard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that...
Yeah, my rice is ready, baby. Look at that. Hey, baby. This me and Kimani. I didn't want to cook a big pot. Because if I take a big pot, I'm going to take a lot of rice. So, I gotta learn to portion myself. Alright, rice off. Let's check on this. Back here. done too. That's the only part that's gonna go in the garbage. Alright, I'm gonna add my sauce to my thing. Oh, it's starting to spoil. Damn it. I think I put it right away. Today what? Saturday. When I bought this. Oh my god, it's been no, today's Friday. Is it Friday or Saturday I bought this? It's been a week? Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna put up this pine and put it down and freeze it. I don't know why I didn't.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is.
Teriyaki salmon kimo. So I'm gonna finish cooking this Kimani's plate. My plate right there to show you, but I'm about to make some salad. But Kimani hungry, so I'm about to give him this right now. It's freaking hot. I'm eating during the show. It's not amazing.